speaker. But thanks to these guys who work here by giving chocolates. I'm Raghav Prasad representing CI.com and we specialize in mobile technology, more so with PDAs, that is the palm and the pocket PC devices. And let me quickly take you through the product about which I'm going to talk here, not taking much of your weekend. Cellquick, that's the product which I'm here to talk about. This product Cellquick is mainly used by the exhibitors in trade shows, and this product is the key to success. This product is just 3 months old, and we have already more than 500 customers spread across the North American market. To quickly brief you about my company CI. This product Cellquick comes from CI, a 10 years old or 10 years young leading software company in Chennai, headquartered in Chennai with offices in New Jersey, and we are winners of 9 national awards including the prestigious President's Award. Then we have successfully sold and are still serving the North American market for about 10 years now, and we specialize in end-to-end mobile solutions and products, customized products also. And the mission of our company as a product company is to create value and share wealth. This is the basic objective of the company on the whole. And it's our ambitious plan is to reach the US $50 million mobile products. That's the typical sales plan which we have for the current year. Talking about this product, Cellquick is basically used by the exhibitors in the trade show, as I told before, typically to record the sales orders which typically for the exhibitions or for the trade shows, for the FMCGs or candies or where there's a cash and carry kind of a trade show that's happening. So Cellquick is very useful there. It's mainly for a complete order entry system with the capability of mobile point of sale to handle cash sales at the trade shows. Okay, how is it useful to you? Helps in increasing the number of orders taken. In fact, we did a lot of system studies about this, and success stories have also been published in our websites. Something like, say for example, if manually orders are written down, let's say 10 invoices are written down manually, using our product, you can have something like 20 invoices, which means double the business and double the revenue. So that's what typically the end user or the exhibitor gets. Helps in meeting more number of customers in the booth, reduces your cost and your handling budget, and immediate transfer of the order which you have taken on your PDA to your back office. Because if your PDA or the handheld device or the pocket PC is wireless enabled, it helps you transfer the data automatically through your GPRS or Wi-Fi, WiMAX, in any of these connectivities. Okay? And the pain points which this product typically addresses potentially losing the potential buyers to the crowding. Typically, if you look at the trade shows, the booths or the stalls lose potential buyers when there's a lot of crowd. Let's say a confectionery trade show is happening in the city. One booth may have almost 25 to 30 people crowding in the prime time. The sales guys may not be able to handle all these people, whereas this product, because it helps you record the orders more faster, it helps you meet a lot of extra more clients, and another pain point which this addresses, not able to transfer data into your enterprise background system. It can be as simple as Tally or high-end applications like CATPAC, QuickBooks, etc. So this is another pain point which this product addresses. And no up-to-date information about the inventory that's available. Let's say I come as a customer, I come and place an order for 10 crates of Coke. Let's say that's a beverage trade show. But you should know whether the 10 crates of Coke is available in this inventory. This helps in updating even the inventory that's available in your booth or warehouse, whichever location you're talking about. And what are the features? Like, it has features like order entry, and in fact I cannot call this one as feature, I can call it even as modules. Order entry and adding new customers on the fly, receipt entry, export data. These are some of the features or modules that are available. In fact, this product supports barcode scanning also. In fact, today most of the products which are available in the market has a barcode tag attached with it. So this product helps you scan those barcodes and take it inside your Pocket PC device. And this also supports printing. Like the printing can be through simple infrared connectivity, or even your Bluetooth printers are now available in the market at cheaper prices. So this product also helps in transferring the data and printing a receipt or invoice or voucher. All that stuff is enabled using this product. Okay, how is it different from other? There are so many other products also which are available in the market. How is our product different? Is we have features like order ahead, then integrating with multiple databases. This is one big point which has helped us reach the 500 mark in such a small period of 3 months. 500 customers in 3 months is no jokes. And other differentiators like order and item level discounts that can be passed on, and best of all would be the price and also the Bluetooth and the wireless connectivity which our product offers. Yeah, these are some of the satisfied customers whom you have, and you have a great product. So these are some of the guys who have spent like one guy in Barbados, then one guy in US, Australia, Canada. Typically, we sell more to the overseas countries and more focused towards the North American segment, which is typically the United States and Canada and a bit of Caribbean also.
Caribbean.
How can we leverage our strength on a win-to-win relationship? What's that we are looking at? As a marketing or technology or equity partner, for the only mission, that's the only mission that the company has, creating and sharing wealth. This philosophy is drilled down into each and every employee who's working in our organization, right from the CEO to the, I can say, even the office boy. So we are typically working on this particular mission of creating and sharing wealth. And these are our contact details. Like we have our offices in Chennai. We are just close by in Besant Nagar. We have 3 development centers, in fact, in Chennai, Besant Nagar and Thiruvanmiyur. And these are our contact details for sales, for technology, and for equity participations. So to quickly sum up, Cellquick helps the companies or the exhibitors who are participating in the trade shows and help them increase their sales substantially, which means more business and more revenue. Thank you very much.